In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to change the default hotspot settings for your publication. We're going to be working within the options in the main menu in the 3D Issue software. The features in the interactive panel under the Design tab can be added to the publication either as buttons or as hotspots. Each individual hotspot can be changed in size and color. And in this video, we're going to show you how to set the default settings for all of the hotspots globally. So to start, select Hotspot from the Options menu at the top of the screen. The window is divided into two areas. We have Rollover and Rollout. You can also set a default line of text for each of the hotspots. For example, you might wish to start each hotspot rollover with "click here to." It's a great way of introducing a standard for interacting with your readers on screen. Default settings for opacity of the color when you roll over a hotspot area is set to 50%. This can also be changed using the slider on the screen. The default color for the rollover is white, but you can change this to be more in line with your corporate colors from the color palette shown on the screen now. An option is presented by checkbox to have a sound play when you roll over a hotspot, and you might wish to change that sound file if you want to. Each of these options, with the exception of the text, can be applied also when the reader rolls out of the hotspot area. The box at the bottom of the dialog box can be clicked to have your new settings applied to all existing hotspots that may be already in the publication. This will override all existing settings. You can now select Apply, and this will apply all the settings to all future hotspots that you present onto your publication. These settings are controlled at a template level, so they will carry over to your next publication you create within this template. Let's now add a new hotspot to the publication and see our changed default settings take immediate effect. This concludes this module on changing the default hotspot settings in your publication.